Start your career as an athletic trainer with a master's degree from Stony Brook University. Our core values: compassion, integrity, perseverance, accountability, pride, guide the athletic training program that is housed in the School of Health Professions within Stony Brook Medicine and is accredited by the Commission on Accreditation of Athletic Training Education. The athletic training program here at Stony Brook is designed to provide quality classroom, laboratory, and online instruction in conjunction with real-life hands-on clinicals. Our expert faculty and clinical preceptors integrate experiences from various levels of patient care into the classroom while disseminating the most up-to-date, evidence-based information to prepare our graduates as they enter the healthcare field and work with diverse populations. Evolving beyond the field, preparing future innovative clinicians who impact the community by advocating for the health needs of their clients and patients. That's Stony Brook Medicine. That's the School of Health Professions Athletic Training Program.